Yes. So we'll move into the session. So before going into the new letter, before moving to the new letter, we will have a recap on all these letters we saw in the previous weeks.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, children. So let's have a recap for the letter S. What's the sound for the letter S? Okay. For the letter A. Yeah, for the letter T, it's T. 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 Okay, and today we are going to learn about letter I. Yes, today we are going to learn about letter I. Okay, now I want everybody to sit straight and listen carefully. Okay, children, sit straight. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So what letter we are going to see today? I and its sound, words, sentences, everything related to the letter I with its sound. Yes, the name of the letter is I. So shall we see what sound the letter I has? Yeah, here we go. If you're not able to see my video, just pin on my video. You can, then it will be zoomed in. And see the action. See, children, this we say it as wiggling the fingers. See, this we say it as wiggling the fingers, isn't it? Yeah. So now we'll see the action. You have to take your fingers like this, keep it near your nose. Yes, and you will wiggle it like this. And with the sound, E, 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 E. Yes, E, 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 E. So what is the sound for letter I?
E, 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 E.
Like this. Yes. It's so funny, isn't it? Doing this action. Yeah. So shall we see the rhyme for this letter I? Yeah. See, ma'am will sing the rhymes first. Yes, you listen to it. Then the second time you can repeat after me. Yes, children. So, Inky the mouse is my pet. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink it spread all over the desk. Inky is wet. Inky is wet. Tejasvi, can you mute?
Not clear.
That's what.
Not
See,
clear?
children. Yeah. See, I want everybody to mute yourself. Okay. Then only you can listen. Everybody can listen to it. Okay. Otherwise, there will be a voice breaking. So I want everybody, kindly parents, kindly mute your audio. Yes, ma'am. Carry on.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. So now you can repeat after me. Inky the mouse is my pet.
Inky the mouse is my pet.
She spilled the ink and got wet.
She spilled the ink and got wet.
The ink it spread all over the desk.
The ink it spread all over the desk.
Inky is wet.
Inky is wet.
Inky is wet.
Inky is wet.
Yes, so nice, no? This rhyme is so nice, isn't it? It is sounding very nicely. Yes? E, 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 e. Yes, children? So, yeah. So before moving into the words with E sound, I have few rules to tell you. Yes, few rules to tell you. So why we are learning phonics? Why we are learning the sounds of all the letters in the alphabet? Children? It will help us in reading very easily. Yes, we can read very easily. With the help of the sound, we can read very easily. Okay. And as I said you in the earlier classes, no, in the previous classes, when two letters blend together, we get a new sound, isn't it? For example, in S letter, we saw SH. When SH is blending together, we got a new sound as sh. And when TH is blending together, we got t. T.
And I also...
Likewise, when this letter I is also blending with another letter, when this I letter is blending with another letter, we will get a new sound. Yes, we will not have the same E sound. I is having an E sound, isn't it? So this I will have a new sound. And the next rule, you have to listen to it very carefully, children. See, listen here. So we all know vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. Yes? A, E, I, O, U. We call them as vowels. We call them as vowels. So when these two vowels come together, you remember the exercise we did it in the worksheets? Underline the words with two vowels and fill in the blanks with two vowels. Yes? For example, boat. Boat. See? This O and A, both are vowels. Yes? Both are friends. Vowels are friends, isn't it? They belong to the same group, vowels. O and A. So when two vowels are coming together, only the first vowel will take the sound. So I will say like this to remember it very easily. When two friends are walking, the first friend only will talk. The second friend, she will always listen. She will never open her mouth. Yes, we will remember like this. So when two friends are walking, the first friend only will talk. See in this word boat. Can you see boat? Yes? Boat. We are sounding only the O sound, not the A sound. Yes? So this is the another rule. So now, one more rule is there that I will tell you a little later. Yes? A little later. In the next slides, I will tell you that rule. Okay. Igloo. Yes. So now we'll move on to the words with E sound in the beginning, in the middle. In the beginning and in the middle. The first word, igloo. Igloo. Iguana. Iguana. Ink. Insect. Insect. Igloo, iguana, ink, insect. And we have some more words here with I sound in the middle. See, Boil. Boil. When O and I is blending together, we sound it as oi. Oi. Boil. Coin. Boil. Coin. King. Ring. King. Ring. Yes? King. Ring. Yes, children? You are able to feel the sound of E in all these words? Igloo, iguana, ink, insect, king, ring. Okay. Here I have something to show you. Children, have you ever seen a ink pen? You all know pen. Yes, we all know pen. Yes, nowadays so many of them are not using this ink pen. See, this we call it as ink pen. We can just open this like this. We can open it and we can fill the pen with the ink. Okay, so this we call it as ink pen. Ink pen. Ink uttardu, yes. See, this ink pen. So from where we will get the ink? From the ink pot. See, this is called ink pot. Ink pot will be completely filled with ink. See, I am going to take the ink with the ink filler. Ink filler, ink filler. This we call it as ink filler. Can you see this? Can you see the ink is dropping down? Ink. Ink in the ink filler. We will fill it in the ink pen. Yes? Yeah. See, so many of them are not using the ink pen nowadays. Yes. So like this, you can find out these are the things I have with the E sound at my home. Okay, ma'am is having these things at my home. And these things is having the E sound. E ink pen, E ink filler, ink pot, ink. Yes, like this. If you have anything else at your home, you can also find out the things and you can write down the words in your notebook. Okay, children, for example, India map. Italy. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Italy. Mummy will make Italy, isn't it? For the breakfast. Italy, then India map, invitation. Yes, like this you can find the things at your home and you can write down the names of it. Idiyappam. Idiyappam. Oh, your breakfast is idiyappam today?
I eat idli, ma'am.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay. So, next. We move
Ma'am, puri.
Puri. E. Yes, puri. That E sound is coming at the last, isn't it? Puri. Very good, children. Okay. So, it's story time.
Insect, ma'am.
Insect. Very good. So, we'll move to the story time, children. Yeah. So, before moving into the story time, I want to tell you another rule. I'm going to tell you another rule. Yes? See, can you see the word time here? T-I-M-E, time. Yes? And in the time word, we have the I letter. But we say the word as time only. I. Time. We are not saying it as Tim. Why? Because vowels are friends, isn't it? Can you see the friends here? I and E. Can you see both the friends? I and E. But there is someone else is standing in the middle of their friend. See, middle of the friend, there is someone standing. Who's that?
Ma'am, that is Mr. Consonant.
Oh, he is Mr. Consonant. Oh, that is why I is not taking the E sound. Consonant is disturbing both the friends. Consonant is disturbing both the friends. Vowel said romba disturb pannadhu pola irukku. That is why I is not taking the E sound. Yes, it is taking its own sound. I, time, I. So this is the another rule we have. So parents, if you are sitting near to them, kindly make a note of these rules.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
So when somebody is standing between us, we will find it very difficult to talk, isn't it? நம்ம யார்கிட்டயாவது பேசும்போது நடுவுல யாராவது வந்தா நம்மளுக்கு டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸா இருக்கும்ல. Likewise, this I is also feeling some disturbance. So it is taking its own sound. I, time. Okay, children.
Samudri, kindly mute yourself, Kanna. Samudri, kindly mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Lata Manish.
Yes,
Lata
ma'am.
Manish, kindly mute yourself, Kanna. Yes, carry on, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, so now I think you are clear with all the rules which I told you today. So now we'll move on to the story. So what's the story? It's about the letter I. So we are going to find the sound in all the words when we are reading. And the name of the story, INSEE and the insects. INSEE and the insects. INSEE is a little iguana. INSEE is a little iguana. She lives in the jungle. She lives in the jungle. One day, she meets some insects. One day, she meets some insects in a cave. They invite little INSEE. They invite little INSEE to their house. They sit and eat. The insects show her ink pots. The insects show her ink pots with blue and red color ink. With blue and red color ink. INSEE makes a picture. INSEE makes a picture with the inks. I'll read the story one more time. Listen carefully and you're going to give the answers in the chat box later. INSEE is a little iguana. She lives in the jungle. One day, she meets some insects. In a cave. They invite little INSEE to their house. They sit and eat. The insects show her ink pots. With blue and red color ink. INSEE makes a picture. with the inks. with the inks. So now we'll move on to the words from the story. Iguana. Iguana. Insects. Insects. Ink pots. Ink pots. Ink pots. So can you give me the other words from the story? Give me other words. From the story, we have some more words in the story. Type it in the chat box. Type it in the chat box. Incy. Yes. Incy, ink. Jungle is not having a E sound. Ink, incy, insect, iguana. Yes, little, lives, in. Very good. Picture, picture, iguana, little pictures, little. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mom.
Ink,
Insects.
insects, insects, invite, is,
Invite.
invite, lives, insect. Very good, very good. Ink, in,
Iron.
with, India. Yes, India. Very good. Eating, ink, mute. Win is also correct. Win is also correct. Kindly mute yourself, Kana.
Island.
Risk, island, index. Ignore,
Ice cream.
ice cream. Ice cream. So can you see here?
Here, ice cream has a different.
Ah.
It's
Kindly mute yourself, dears. Eyeliner.
so,
Eyeliner.
dear children, you mute.
Eyeliner.
I'm not going to continue with the class. Sorry. You're not going to continue with the class. Kindly mute yourself. Yes. Yes, ma'am. You can go with the next.
Yeah, ma'am. So can you see the word ice cream? So ice cream, I have written here ice. Can you see the Mr. Consonant is standing in between the friends? So this is taking the I sound, not the is. It is not is, isn't it? It is ice. So it is taking its own sound, ice. Because consonant is there between the vowels. Okay, now we'll move on to the next topic. Yes, Jaya ma'am.
Now, before moving to the next topic, we have passage comprehension here. I'm getting an echo, Vishmita, please. Kindly mute yourself, Kanna. Yeah. Here we have a passage, and for answer for this, questions for this passage will be shared. Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, questions for this passage will be shared through the chat box. After reading the passage, I want the parents to show the questions for the children and make them to answer for that. Okay, now let's move on to the passage. Ma'am, you can share the link in the chat box.
Yeah, Jaya ma'am.
Yes, there's the link for you. So before that, Let me read out the passage.
Is two.
Ma'am,
Yes,
yeah.
ma'am.
So the topic of the passage is my little red car. My little red car. Okay? Listen to the passage carefully, Kanna. I drive my little red car everywhere. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week, it took me to the mountains. Last week, it took me to the mountains. Again, I'll read out the passage. Listen. I drive my little red car everywhere. It can go fast and takes me to many amazing places. Last week, it took me to the mountains. Okay, this is your passage. And now you can open the link. I'll read out the questions for you. Fill your name, your class and section. The first question. What is the color of the car? What is the color of the car? Option A, red. Option B, blue.
Kindly do not give answers in the chat box.
You can just point the answers in the question paper. Okay? Fine. The second question. Can the car go fast? Y-E-S, yes. The second one, N-O, no. Can the car go fast? Answer option A, yes. Option B, no. The third question. Where did the car go last week? Where did the car go last week? Option A, house. Option B, mountains.
Mountains.
Okay?
Mountains.
So now I hope everybody have completed and click the submit button which is in green color. Click the submit button which is in green color. Have you all done with that, children? Yes. Those who are unable to join the link, somebody has given me, I'm unable, link is not open, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. We will share it in the group, WhatsApp group. Yes. No problem, ma'am. We will share it in the group. We are not able to open the link. No problem. We will share it in the group and then you can post the answers. Thank you so much. Yes. Now let's move on to the next topic. Here we have simple sentences for you. Simple. Imple. Okay, simple sentences. The first sentence. I have a kit. I have a kit. The second sentence. The bin is in the pit. The bin is in the pit. I lit a match. I lit a match. The fourth sentence. Please sit. Please sit. The fifth sentence. I can hit with a bat. I can hit with a bat. Kit, bin, is, in, pit, lit, sit, hit, with, Can you feel the sound, children? E, E. What is the sound for this letter I? E, E, E. Okay? Igloo, iguana, insects. Okay, children? So now let's move on to the next. It's our activity time. Yes, pit. Yeah, here we have a word puzzle. Some words are given here and we are going to find those words from the puzzle. Okay? First word, dig. D-I-G, dig. It is already done for you. See? D-I-G, dig. Yes, the next one. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Where is that word? Yeah, it is in the second row. P-I-G, pig. The third one is big. B-I-G, big. Yes, we found B-I-G. Fourth row, very good. The next one, fig. F-I-G, fig. Where is that? It's in the last. Yes, F-I-G, fig. And the next one, wig. W-I-G, wig. So where is the wig? Yeah, it's in the third. Very good. So let me read out the words one more time. Dig, pig, big, fig, wig. Okay, children? Yes. We have one more activity. Last 5 more minutes. Yes. Now, find the sentences that matches the pictures. Okay? See, we have 2 pictures here. And I'm going to read out the sentence for you. You're going to tell me which sentence will be correct. A sentence or B sentence. The first picture. What is that picture? The boy is having a cup. Isn't it? The boy is holding a cup. So let me read out the first sentence for you. A. I have a cat to win. Huh? Is that correct one? I have a cat to win. Okay, now let me read out the second one. I can win the cup. I can win the cup. Yes, it matches with the picture. I can win the cup. Win. Win. Okay. Now let's move to the next picture. Yes, there is a picture with a wig. Okay, so now let's see. A sentence. The wig is on a hat. Huh? Is it a hat over there? The wig is on a hat. Let me read out the second. The wig is on top. Yes, the wig is on top. The wig is on top. So the picture matches with this B sentence. Okay, fine. So keep practicing the letters for the sounds, rhymes for the letters S, A, T, I. Okay, children? We have come to the